Hi YouTube people. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the red light in a Xbox 360 Slim. I've been searching online everywhere how to fix it, and I see different ways that people is doing, and what it worked for me is using a heat gun. Don't do those easy things that, unplug it, plug it back, and it's not gonna work. This is the way it's gonna work 100%. I take it apart already, sorry, and I already fixed it because I want to make sure it worked, before I did the video. Sorry for that, but what you guys gonna see is a red light. And what I did, I take it apart everything, and then we take all this part. We take the fence out. We're gonna take the fan. We're gonna disconnect. This is not a reset thing that everybody say, oh, this is a reset, should reset it and it's gonna work. No, don't work. I try everything, believe me. We take it apart, everything, and we don't take this off. Don't take it off. Right here in the bottom, you guys, I see a lot of people taking apart these and put some screws. So for me, I think this is the best way to do it. Just leave everything over here and see the metal right here. Right here, we're gonna apply the heat with a heat gun for at least 2 minutes, 3 minutes. High heat, just right here, and you can touch it from the bottom. When you guys feel that heat coming from the bottom over here, be careful because it's gonna be hot. And keep doing it for 3 minutes at least. And after you guys done, I'm gonna show you how I did it. It's already done. We're gonna put it high. Put it really close and heat it up for 2-3 minutes. I'm not gonna do it again because I already did it, and I'm gonna show you guys that this is work. I'm gonna put it back together.